Hello, our dear viewer. My name is Vito and I am head of Trnska development team. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Partisan with No Name, Game Development Diary, or, if you want shorter version, PWN in GDD. We were not able to add as much changes as in previous updates because of some technical difficulties, but we'll say more about it later. Let's talk about everything new added to our little game. First thing is save system. With this you can save the progress you made so far to one of 3 available save slots. How to save it, you surely ask yourself. Well, you have to find local writer's house in Forestgens Village's World Hub. After approaching it, press the action button, aka spacebar, to enter the house. The small cutscene will play. You will talk to Writer and find out that he can write adventures of yours so far in his books so you can revive if you die. This is a super realistic explanation for putting save system to game, isn't it? So if you look at this dialogue with Writer, you will see that we also made, what? Dialogues. That's correct. This way we can make our game's story way deeper and better. Now let's return to the very beginning of the video, where I said there were some technical difficulties in production. If you look at the second episode of GDD, you may notice that Partisan with No Name was developed in GameMaker 8.1. Honestly, I can say this was the most practical game engine I had experience with. Everything was pretty logical and image editor was top, but some functions required for making dialogues for PWN were not available. This is why we moved to the latest version of GameMaker. Porting GM8.1 project to 13 years newer version took us pretty much time because there were unlimited bugs and glitches with our game. Hopefully, the remaining ones will get fixed till the next video. Also, one of new problems was non-existence of room transition functions in new engine. This is why we downloaded code resources from GameMaker Marketplace provided by GameMaker user FrostyCat. Big thanks to him and his unselfishness for putting resources priced to free. Next, we've done is load system. This little thingy finds selected save file, aka book written by local writer, and reads it. You will be transported to the open-ended level you made this save in and you will get back exact amount of tries, beers and score you had at the moment of saving. Last addition is that you can now pause even in major levels. Here you can select whether to resume, go back to main menu or load save file. You can activate pause anywhere on the map because action levels are no more entered by pressing space, but enter. Well, I think that's it for this time. See you soon, hopefully in less than 2 months. Best regards from Trnska development team.